Imagine unlocking a world where data-driven decisions propel your career to new heights. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how SAP SAC certification can transform your professional journey. In the fast-paced realm of business intelligence, SAP Analytics Cloud, SAC, stands out as a game-changer, combining business intelligence, enterprise planning, and predictive analytics. For those aiming to master this powerful tool, the SAP SAC 2415 exam is a critical milestone that validates your expertise and opens doors to numerous career opportunities. The SAP SAC certification is a prestigious credential that showcases your ability to turn raw data into actionable insights, making you a valuable asset in any organization. In today's data-centric world, interpreting and manipulating data is invaluable. SAP SAC certification equips you with these essential skills, ensuring you're ready for modern data analytics challenges. Earning this certification not only enhances your resume but also positions you as a key player in the field of business intelligence, making you highly sought after by employers. Certified professionals often find themselves in stronger positions for promotions, salary increases, and leadership roles within their organizations. As a certified SAP SAC professional, you gain recognition and credibility, enhancing your standing among peers and employers. SAP is a globally recognized brand, and its certifications are highly regarded worldwide, opening up international job opportunities for certified professionals. In a competitive job market, SAP SAC certification provides a competitive edge, increasing your job security and demonstrating your commitment to continuous learning. Certified professionals gain access to SAP's global network of experts, resources, and continuing education opportunities, keeping them updated on the latest trends. The demand for certified SAP SAC professionals spans various industries, from finance and healthcare to manufacturing and retail. As an SAP Analytics Cloud consultant, you'll help organizations implement and optimize SAC solutions, analyzing business needs and designing analytics solutions. Data analysts with SAP SAC certification are in high demand, particularly in companies that rely on real-time data for decision-making. Business intelligence analysts use SAP Analytics Cloud to develop and manage BI solutions, transforming data into insights that inform business decisions. Enterprise planning analysts utilize SAP Analytics Cloud for forecasting, budgeting, and financial planning, helping businesses streamline operations. Project managers with SAP SAC expertise oversee the implementation of SAC projects, coordinating teams and ensuring alignment with business goals. Before diving into exam tips, it's essential to understand the SAP SAC 2415 exam structure, which includes 60 questions to be answered in 120 minutes. Familiarize yourself with the exam objectives, utilize official SAP training materials, and engage in hands-on practice with SAP Analytics Cloud. Join study groups, take practice exams, and stay updated with the latest SAP developments to ensure your knowledge is current and comprehensive. Approach your exam preparation with a positive mindset, believe in your abilities, and remember that with the right preparation, success is within your reach. Good luck.